Hi, welcome to the second online PowerPoint lesson. In this video series, we will teach you the basics of Microsoft PowerPoint throughout various videos. The functions in PowerPoint that are the same as in Word will not be repeated in these lessons. If you want to learn more about those functions, you should watch the video about Microsoft Word. In this second video, you will first learn how to align text in PowerPoint and how to change the text direction. After, you will learn more about SmartArt. Next, you will be taught about all the functions of drawing. The function insert is almost the same as in Word. The difference between the two will be taught in this lesson as well. In the end, there will be a small exercise to practice everything you learned in this lesson. So, we'll first go to discuss this part. You first have the shape, so this is the same as in Word. Only in Word it is called Insert, Illustration, and then Shapes. And here it is just here. But you do have the Arrange button. And the Arrange button helps you to layer shapes, pictures, and text over each other. So, for example, we have a jar shape, a triangle. Let's change the color of this shape. And then we have a rectangle. Let's make this yellow. And then we have the number 1. And we'll make that red. We'll make it slightly smaller. And this will be deleted. Like this. So now, if I do this one, it will go over all of those. This one will go under all of this. This will go under this, but over this, and this will go over this, under this, and over this. If we now want to change the order, for example, we first want the star, then the rectangle, first a star, then a rectangle, and over the rectangle, we want the triangle. So we'll go to this one. You can go to Arrange and send to the front. That way it will now go over all this. And now we want the one completely on top and not under this. So in Arrange, we'll go bring to the front or bring forward. We'll go over this, but under this. We now do bring forward to go now also over the rectangle. And now also over the triangle. But if you just want to bring it forward to everything, you can do bring to the front. Same as bring to the back. Now it's at the back of everything, and now it's at the front of everything. So this is how you can arrange shapes. So now, for example, we want the star to be on top. We arrange, bring to the front, and now it's on top of everything. And this one is now under here. And now it's over here. If we now want to bring this part to the back, we can send it backwards. And we can send this backwards as well. And if we want it all the way to the back, we'll do send back. Now it's also under the triangle. So this is how the Arrange button works. Next you have Quick Styles. That is here, and it's an easy way to transform a shape. When you hover over the shape, it means that if you move your mouse over the colors, the shape will change. So we have this. And if I now go over with my mouse, I don't press it, you will see that the color of the shape changes. And now you see that the rectangle is see-through. And here you see also the text, so the text will be dark blue. You can also change the inside color of the shape with Shape Fill. And that is this one. Here you can just pick the color you want to let the shape be that color, so you have more options. You also have the shape outline. For example, we want this one. We can make the shape outline so that colors the border. for example, a dark blue, or maybe, let's say, green. Now you see it has a small green border. We can go to width and make it thicker so you see it better. So the red square of the red rectangle has now a green border. The next thing of drawing is shape effects. It can give a glow to a shape, or it makes the edges softer. So we use the triangle. We'll go to shape effects. And for example, we can make a shadow. Now you can see there is a shadow here. Another thing you can do is give it a glow. For example, a nice yellow glow. Or you can soften the edges. This way you will see it gets more blurry and the edges will be softer. So this is the drawing. I will go now do a new insert, new slide. This is the same as in Word with insert. Insert new slides is the same as this one. The table is the same as in Word. Pictures are the same as in Word. Photo album is not really used, and screenshot as well. So it's better not go really into that. It's not really basic. Illustrations is the same as in Word. My ad, it is not really used for necessary links, also not comments. That is this one. Comments allows you to make a comment about a slide, text or picture. This can be handy for other people so they know what you think about something. It can also be used for yourself to make comments about things you want to change, or if you're not sure about something. So for example, we have this, and I can add a comment now. And this comment be, is this effect right? And press enter, and now there is a comment about the shape. So now if you share this document with somebody, they can see this comment, or it's for yourself that you're like, yeah, I'm not sure about this. I made this comment and I will go back to it later. So this is the use of comments. Textbook the same. This is the same. Object is not really used, so it's not necessary to really learn that. Header and footer is different, so we'll have a look at that. Press header and footer. And now you can see that you can change some things. For example, you want a date time and you want it to be updated automatically. And you want this format, this language, or let's do it in Macedonian or English. And you can put it in the footer, or here you can see where it is. So date time will be here, slide number will be here, and if you place something in the footer, you can add it here, and it will be added here. So here, so for example, this is a footer. And then you can make the option to don't show this on the title slide, so that is the first slide, in case you don't think that is necessary. So apply to all, and we will see now this has the time, this is the footer, and this is the slide number. And here you see it is here as well. And now we press don't show on the title slide, apply to all. You will see it's removed here. And now if you make a new slide, you will see it has here as well the footers. But if we want to delete it here, you can just do this and apply it to this one, and then the footer will be deleted here, but it will still be shown here. So that way you can change the footer and header depending on the slides. This is also how the slide number works. You can also do that by pressing here. So it has, you will go to the same place. So slide number and making a slide number through header and footer is the same. So there isn't really a difference between the two of them. Next we have symbols. For symbols you have equations and symbols. And here you can add like equations, for example, this one, very famous equation from Pythagoras. And you also can add another one. We go to insert equation, and for example this one. So then you can add an equation, but you can also change, of course, numbers here. For example, want to be a C. Now the equation is not right anymore, but you can see you can change it or fill it in with numbers if you want. Another thing is symbols. These are symbols you can add. For example, if you want to have like 1/3 shown this way, you can add it here, or you can add like other symbols. You have really lots and lots of options. You can use this one, a trademark. So yes, you can really search for the right symbol. Next we have video. If you want to insert a video, you can insert a video from your device or computer. When you select the video, press insert and the video will be inserted. So we go to video on my PC, we press it, and now you can add videos from your computer. For example, recordings, and we want to insert this video. And just press insert and you'll see the video is inserted. And if you press play now, it will play. So that is one way to insert a video into your PowerPoint presentation. Another thing you can do is use online videos. Here you can paste a link from YouTube, or you can an embed code. Mostly you can just use YouTube. For example, a cute cat. And here we see lots of videos about cute cats, and for example, want this one, we just press it and press insert, and the video is now being inserted. Here you can make it bigger. And here you can press on play and the video will be played. So this is how you can insert a video from the internet. Another thing you can do is insert audio. You can insert audio from your computer if you have an audio file, or you can record a sound. To record a sound, you can record a sound with your computer or a microphone if you have that attached to your computer, and that way you can record a sound that is happening. Just press audio, record sound, and then you can give it a name. Record sound record sound 1, for example, and press to record sound. Now you can give it a name and press the red circle to start the recording. Press OK if you want to insert the sound into your PowerPoint. So press this button now. Then it starts recording. If I want to insert this recording now into the PowerPoint, I can press here or here. And that way you'll see the audio is inserted. And you can just click on play and pause to let the audio play. Another thing you can do is screen recording. This is a really nice function. I'll make a title slide. Screen recording allows you to record your screen, and this means every screen. It doesn't only have to be from the PowerPoint itself. You can select all the screens from your computer. If you want to, you can select a certain area you want to film, or you can just select everything. If you press this red button, the recording will start. Here you will pause it. You can say if you want to record audio or not, or if you want to record your pointer. This can be handy if you want to show where you're clicking. So this is how you can record your whole screen. So now that I've explained the whole insert row, not everything I have discussed because a lot of things are the same as in Word, but the things that are different I did discuss. So now you can do it and try it yourself. So for the try it yourself, I want you to copy the slides. This is a lion, a tiger, and a liger. So that is the animal you get when you cross the tiger and the lion together. So I want you to pause the video and try it with yourself. I will now show what you can make. Online pictures, tiger. And we'll go insert this tiger. And then we'll insert the lion. So insert online pictures. Lion. Of course, you can also copy paste the pictures from Google itself. So now we have the lion. And now the liger, that is a combination of a tiger and a lion. So now we have this one as well. I'll just make it a little more pretty, and I'll also change the layout to blank. This one can be removed. Now we only need to insert the symbols. Do by this. Now it's a little weird, but we can adapt it slightly. Still a little weird, but like this. And also, of course, the equation, and this one is here, like this. So now you've made a copy of the slide. For the other try it yourself, I want you to try and make this. So this is a slide I want you to make. There are two arrows, a rectangle, and this triangle. This is, as a little hint, it is the shape. It is this shape. The rectangle rounded corners. And then you need to just change it a little bit. This way that gets a little sided or slided. Just pause the video and try to make it yourself. I will now show you how I did it. I will go to insert, shapes. I want to insert an arrow like this one, and I want to copy paste that, and I can just flip it, that way they're completely equal. Now they're aligned. Next I want to do is add some glow to the shape. So shape effects, a glow, and it is a strong glow, this one, and the arrow itself is black. I still want a blue glow. This is also a black arrow, but with a reflection, shape effects, reflection. And this one. So I'll make this one slightly smaller as it was in the example. And now we only have to do the middle. So first the blue rectangle, insert shapes, rectangles, something like this. And 3D rotation, and then it's this one. Now we just need to make the outline red and a little thicker with this one. So now we have the rectangle, and the only thing left to do is the green triangle. So triangle, green, we'll move it over here. This also has a red shape outline, only slightly thinner. Let's see if this is right. Perfect. So, and this is how you made the slide. So now I want you to make this equations, this slide, so just a little ink equation and this one. So pause the video and try to make it yourself. So new slide, and then home, layout, this one, and then we'll make the equation. So insert equation, and then it's just a simple equation. So we can just write 2 plus 6 is 8. And then an error, this one, and we make that black, and we'll do this, and then we'll write ink equation. Let's spell it correctly, and then we have just the last one with the sinus. So insert equations, and then let's see if it is here. Yes, it's just this one, so we just press it. Oh, equation, and then we just insert it, and that's it. So this was the end of the video. Thank you for watching the second video of the series. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video.